My name is Jeremy Akers, Jeremy Nathaniel Akers, and we're going to talk about the spiral journal. First, see how YouTube likes this. I want you to pause this video and go grab an A4 piece of paper. Like, seriously, it's going to take 5 minutes for you to try this exercise, this liberating structure and development, and then you have experienced it, and it's yours for life. All right, now that you've unpaused and you're resuming, let's go. Draw a large 2 by 2 matrix, taking up the entirety of the page, the whole page. Like so. Voila. Now, place your pen in the middle of that 2 by 2 matrix, the middle of the intersection of those lines, and draw the smoothest concentric spiral possible. We're going to take 1 minute. Ready, set, go. All right, pencils down. You've passed the first test. Now, in whichever quadrant you'd like to respond, period, comma, whatever, whichever quadrant you like, respond to the following prompt. What inner stuff, like thoughts, feelings, and memories, can show up and get in the way? What inner stuff, like thoughts, feelings, and memories, can show up and get in the way? All right, and in the next quadrant, go ahead and respond to the following prompt. What do you tend to do when that inner stuff shows up? What do you tend to do when that inner stuff shows up? All right, and in our next quadrant, who and what are important to you? Who and what are important to you? And in the next quadrant, respond to what can you actually do to move towards what matters? What can you actually do to move towards what matters? Now, that was the Spiral Journal, folks. Thank you very much for your time, attention, and energy. I would suggest that it's a great time to go for a walk, talk about what you've just journaled with someone, take a nap, and of course, like, subscribe, tag someone you thought would enjoy this in the comments, or offer some reflection. Safe travels.